Hey guys, welcome back to A to Z Review Box. With Diwali online offers. The leading online retailers roll out Diwali sales every year to help you save money. Before we are going to see offers, let's look into benefits of online shopping. Save time. Without going to shop, and you can get your purchase done and arrive your products at your doorstep. Do you have the specific list that you want to buy? With just a couple of clicks of mouse, you can purchase your shopping orders and instantly move other important things which you can save the time. 24/7 availability. Online shopping stores are open round the clock 24/7, 7 days a week and 365 days. It's very rare to find any conventional retail stores that are open 24/7. The availability of online stores gives you the freedom to shop at your own pace and convenience. Comparison of price. The advanced innovation of search engine allow you to easily check prices and compare with just few clicks. It is very straightforward to conduct price comparison from one online shopping website to another. This gives you the freedom to determine which online store offers the most affordable item you are going to buy. Are you the person hate waiting in lines, queues? When buying items online, there are no long lines you have to endure just to buy your merchandise. The idea of shopping online is cutting down those bad habits of standing on the long line just waiting. Every online store is designed with unique individual ordering features to purchase the item. Let's look into the Amazon, why it's better than other e-commerce platforms in Google. Amazon Great Indian Festival. Now Great Indian Festival is live on Amazon, while 5 to 40% discount on every product in all categories. Best price. When comparing to MRP of products, Amazon providing the best price in the market without a delivery charge of most of the products are above 499 rupees. Amazon Prime. Benefits of Amazon Prime customers. Unlimited free delivery. Early access to deals and new launches. Same day delivery. Prime Video, exclusive entertainment anytime, anywhere. Prime Reading, unlimited access to popular ebooks. Gaming with Prime, access to free in-game content on popular mobile games. Reliability. Amazon is very reliable at delivering orders. If you live in major cities such as Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, then you will typically receive your goods within 1 to 7 business days. Third-party sellers can take between 1 to 10 days to deliver your order, depending on where they are located and what they are shipping. Trial and returning policy. Amazon renewed items sold. Amazon can also be returned within 90 days. If you bought one from a third party seller, you only get normal 30 days for standard returns. Amazon warehouse certified items. Some Amazon app stores and in-app products also qualify for 90 days return. Fast and cheap shipping. Morning delivery and same-day delivery are available only to residential address. Standard delivery charges are free for non-Prime members if order value is Rs 499 or more. Free same-day delivery. How do I avail of guarantee one-day delivery? One-day delivery option is available only in selected cities for items fulfilled by Amazon. To check if your PIN code qualifies for one-day delivery, please enter the same product details. If eligible, order within the time frame mentioned on the product details page to get your items delivered on the next business day. You will see the option for one-day delivery only if your address is eligible for this service. To get your order by guarantee time frame, you need to select one-day delivery option during checkout. Guaranteed one-day delivery is available in the following cities, which is New Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Ghaziabad, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Surat, Vadodara, Nasik, Nagpur and Secunderabad. Lightning deals. Members qualify for early access to short-term, deeply discounted Amazon Lightning deals that often feature high-tech and fashion goods. Amazon Family. The benefit include 15% off for eligible products from your baby registry. Amazon Pay. Check out for the offers now and then get certain cashback to make purchase. Membership sharing. Two adults living in same household can create Amazon household to share certain Amazon Prime benefits and save money on membership fees. These are a great help when deciding which item is one that you want to buy. So, we talked about benefits of Amazon. Now, we'll see about Flipkart, how it's offering to users. Flipkart Plus. Benefits of Flipkart Plus. Free delivery, early access to major sale events, superior customer support, fast shipping, earn plus coin exchange coin for offers. Flipkart Pay Later service. Using Flipkart Pay Later as a payment option gives you access to 3 key features. Credit line. You can avail of credit up to 5,000 rupees shop on Flipkart. Experience your product and then pay for next month at your convenience. You can then pay your bill by 5th of next month at no extra cost. Trusted. In case of Flipkart, this seller is wholesale retail. Buying something from wholesale retail is almost 100% safe. So, when you are buying a product from Flipkart, make sure you get it from wholesale retail. Though, on most occasions, the prices of wholesale retail are also official, which means on higher side. Also, reliability, trial and returning policy, fast and cheap shipping. Now it's a conclusion time. Flipkart was at the top in India until Amazon came. And now Amazon is Flipkart, a tough fight, and it's growing at much faster rate in India, both in terms of popularity and sales. Here, I think both these companies are good at quality service. But I think overall Amazon.in has a bit of edge in every department.